How to add an episode in Streamit 4.0. Hello and welcome to the Streamit tutorial series. In this video, we'll walk you through how to add and manage episodes for your TV shows using the episode section in Streamit. Adding a new episode. To add a new episode, start by entering the episode title and selecting the author. Next, choose the status, whether you want it to be published or saved as a draft. You can also enter a slug for the episode. Then, provide the episode content, upload a thumbnail, and write a short description. Tabs breakdown. Below the content editor, you'll find several tabs for additional episode settings. General tab, add the episode number. Choose how you want to add the episode. Upload the episode file, embed using an iframe link to an external episode URL. In this tutorial, we're uploading an episode directly. Set the episode release date. Specify the episode duration. Configure the next episode overlay timer. This determines when the overlay for the next episode should appear during playback. External source tab. In this section, you can add alternative streaming or download options. Enter the source name, add the URL, define the quality, language, release date, and download URL. This is useful for providing users with multiple viewing options. Additional data tab. Here, you can add a portrait image, an SEO description, a trailer link, an option to notify users about the episode release, a manually set view count. Once all the details are complete, click the Save button. Your episode will now be successfully added. It will appear in the episode list, where you can view, delete, or edit any episode as needed. After that, you can generate an episode playlist. Just enter the name and slug, then add it. You will see a list of episode playlists where you can perform actions like edit, delete, or view a particular playlist. That's it. You've now learned how to add and manage episodes in Streamit. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial makes episode management easier and more efficient for your TV show content.